Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. What the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? Well, man, we gotta figure out what's going on. But right now, guys, we're looking at Bitcoin at $84,000. Went up to 108,000 after the election. And man, we dropped down to an 84.7 we at right now. But guys, we got to stay right here, man. We got a whole 81,440. But before we get into all that, man, we gotta look and see, man. Bitcoin fear and greed is at 20. And then we got Bitcoin Diamonds at 60% and ETH at 10.13%. And man, we're getting all kind of stuff going on. We got tariffs, we got, liquidations, we got all kind of stuff going on, man. I'm glad Nvidia did good today. But we got a whole bunch of stuff going on. We're gonna get into it. But first, man, we see Bybit, we had over $1.4 billion got hacked. Bybit got hacked for $1.4 billion, which is causes fear because a lot of people say, listen, man, if I'm trading, I'm doing this, I'm buying this, I'm buying this, I'm selling, I don't want to trade, and my crypto ain't it's gonna be taken off the exchanges. That's why we always say, man, not your keys, not your coins. So make sure, you guys always hold custody of your own keys. If you're gonna go trade it, man. Just a little bit, trade a little bit on exchanges, get your stuff and go. You know what I'm saying? But man, it's whatever the Lazarus group, whatever Kim Jong Un got a hold, he's making sure that they're getting all kind of crypto from these different exchanges. But guys, make sure not your keys, not your coins. So make sure you hold on to those type of things there. But the largest crypto hack in history, $1.4 billion, man, in ETH. But the good thing is you're seeing a lot of exchanges, the crypto community is working together, a lot of exchanges coming together, make sure they actually buy back that ETH and make everybody whole. So that's a good thing and make sure everything was fine. But man, you guys seen the fear and greed index, man, how it is at 20. People are scared right now. But man, we're seeing right now Bitcoin, we got a whole 81,000 on the daily. You're looking at 81,440. We have to hold that on the day. If we don't, then we could see it drop down to 77.3. But God, let's just see where we at right now. We got a ton of volume in the last couple of days. Good thing about today, we're not seeing a lot of volume. But that pressure could be on, that selling pressure could be on because there's a lot of news, a lot of things are happening, right? Bitcoin's right here. We was like, okay, cool. We about to hit 100,000. We like, okay, here we go. We back at it again. And boom, they came in and took all Bybit either. But I'm glad everybody's whole now. I'm glad everything is worked out fine. Critical community is working together. Because we know a few years ago, this would have been like Bybit would have been like done, or most exchanges, that got a hit like that would have been done. You know what I mean? So that's a good thing that actually made everybody whole. Um, but yeah, man. Well, first, man, we're gonna look at it. We're gonna see here. Number one thing was going on right now. This here is the big dip today, broader dip, not only with stocks, these plans to impose 25% tariffs on the EU. So we know Trump, he actually going to, he's saying, listen, he gonna tariff this, he gonna tariff that, he gonna tariff you. We want to make sure he's saying, listen, if you're gonna tariff us, we're gonna tariff you. We're gonna be everything gotta be reciprocal, right? So so a lot of people, the biggest thing with you looking with trading, you understand, or you're understanding when you're dealing with crypto, and trade, but I would say the markets in general is uncertainty. When people are uncertain, they don't know what's going to be tariffed. They don't know what industry going to get hit the hardest. They don't know what's going to happen. They're going to take their money, right? So with these tariffs at 25%, you're posing this here, and I think you say going to hold off for Canada and Mexico. I think to instead of March 1st, I think April. So we'll see April 1st. We'll see April Fools. We'll know. But I think you say you're gonna hold off or delay that. So that's a good breather there. But this news here today obviously rocked the market. Obviously rocked the market, and you see a lot of people actually, they were selling off because of this news. We don't know. You know what I mean? We don't know what's next. But there's a lot of this news because hey, these tariffs here, people are going to they don't know. It's uncertainty. they're going to actually run for the hills. And we see liquidations, man, the last 24 hours, over almost 184,000 traders got liquidated in the last 24 hours, guys. And that's account for over $760 billion. So that's just something to look out for, guys. So make sure if you're out there leverage trading, if you're trading, if you're leverage trading, make sure you keep your leverage low. I'm seeing a lot of people get wiped out. You know what I mean? We got one person here right on the largest right on Bitfinex. They got for 8.21 million, the largest liquidation for 8.21 million. Just imagine, man, you lose 1.8 you lose 8.21 million dollars just in one liquidation. So make sure you're in DeFi, make sure you're paying your loans. We saw Solana drop like almost 50% in the last like week. So just make sure you guys are out there, out there, not getting too crazy, over there with the leverage trading, But as we see, guys, you know, you gotta look at it, man. We went up since the election by 62, 63%. You see what I'm saying? We're up by 26% now, but we had a nice run for a few months. And what a lot of people gotta understand here also, guys, you're dealing with a new president in his first 100 days. In the first 100 days, they're going to be out here. They're going to say, listen, this is what I want to do. This is how I want to do it. And they're going, this is what they got to do. But after that, man, you'll see a lot of things settle down. So to me personally, I'm going to keep, I'm going to keep, getting my coins that I actually like. You know what I mean? But also, guys, we also see another thing. Remember, when you bring in the suits, you bring in TradeFi, you bring in what else comes with it. So we've seen Bitcoin ETF see a record daily outflow of over 930 million as carry trades lose shine to the 10-year Treasury note. So we're seeing investors pull their funds out of spot Bitcoin spot ETF, Bitcoin and ETH spot ETFs. So we're seeing that a lot of people, they're saying, listen, I'm gonna get out. When you bring in the suits and they say, listen, the market is dumping, they dropping. A lot of us have been around. We've been around. So we know, okay, listen, this is all 20% drop, 30% drop. We cool. I'm gonna get a little bit more. With them, they new to this, right? So they're allocating a certain percentage of their portfolio over to the ETFs, and he's seeing the actual underlying asset actually dwindling or coming down a certain percentage. They're gonna be pulling some money out. So we're seeing that they're actually they're gonna be selling. So we see close to $1 billion, man. $1 billion actually pull out from the ETF. So that's just something that you guys also want to look at. You know what I mean? Remember, it's over 11, and they're pulling out for all of them. So pretty much on the same in the last week. But we've seen a lot of money getting pulled out. All right. So just make sure, guys, you being careful out there. But to me personally, after the 100 days, I think we're gonna start seeing things settle in. We're gonna start seeing things settle in. We're gonna start seeing um, more friendly crypto news coming out, and also we're gonna start seeing money starting to flow a little bit better and liquidity starting to flow a little bit better into the crypto space. That's my opinion. But what I'm doing right now, I'm actually purchasing the coins that I actually like. I'm purchasing, obviously the Bitcoin, my Ethereum, my Solana, my BNB. A lot of people keep forgetting about BNB. I'm purchasing my BNB. I'm purchasing my Cardano. I'm purchasing my Poly. You know, so and then a few other coins as well. So just make sure you guys are looking at certain coins, certain sectors. And we'll talk about that more. But I just want to come on here real quick, guys, talk to you real quick and say, hey, listen, man, don't be scared. What the hell is going on? That's what's going on, guys. You got liquidations happening all around because you have hacks happening. You got security. You have uncertainty happening. You have, far as you have a new president in, new administration, and they're saying, listen, we're gonna do tariffs on here, doing tariffs on that. So you have uncertainty. People don't know what's going to happen, so they go into cash, right? They're pulling some money out. And you gotta remember, Bitcoin and crypto is a technology as well. So you've seen a lot of these tech stocks drop. You're gonna see crypto drop. That's just how it is right now. You're not A lot of people say, hey, it could be a depeg. Not right now. You're seeing NASDAQ drop. You're seeing a lot of these tech companies drop. the Mag 7 specifically, you're gonna see crypto take a hit as well, right? So if tech, catches a cold, crypto will catch the flu. But at the same time, tech start running, crypto gonna go off. So you gotta understand that as well. But looking at the long run, when uncertainty goes away, like I say, after 100 days, I believe things will start settling in. President start going on vacations. They doing doing a presidential thing, and then you're gonna start seeing. To me personally, I think we're gonna start seeing things settle in. The market start making their moves, and we might start if we see an interest rate cut a little bit later. If we get inflation down, then I think we should be fine there as well. But guys. Remember, you got TradeFi here now, institutions, the suits. You got countries here now. They're coming in, and they start seeing 10, 20% drops. They're gonna be pulling out left and right. But guys, till next time, I'll see you guys later. Shout out to everybody out there in East Denver. Make sure you got that networking, doing your thing out there. Shout out to all my people out there in East Denver right now. And man, we're gonna see all the different conferences this year. I'm excited. I think the Bitcoin conference is gonna be the biggest one this year. Biggest conference ever this year. I think it'll be big. But yeah, shout out to everybody out there, man. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. We out of here, baby. Peace.